I recently got my hands on these multicolored silicone kitchen utensils, and they've completely transformed my cooking experience. First off, the non-stick feature is a game changer. No more scraping burnt food off metal spatulas. These utensils glide effortlessly through any mixture, whether I'm flipping pancakes or stirring a thick sauce. The vibrant colors add a fun pop to my kitchen, making cooking feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. Plus, they're heat resistant, so I can use them directly in hot pots and pans without worrying about melting. Cleanup is a breeze too. They're dishwasher safe, which means more time enjoying my meals and less time scrubbing. If you're looking to elevate your cooking game, these silicone utensils are a must-have. They're practical, stylish, and they make cooking a lot more enjoyable. Order now by now link in the description.